What's happening, folks? It's your guy Rashad out here at Action Sports Bar and Grill, Action Food Truck in Kent, Washington, with another day in the life. This is a little different. It's a point of view truck service. Should be fun. Y'all come to work with me. This was about 30 minutes of a 3-hour truck event. We had a catered event for a fire academy graduation is what this one was. We were really excited about doing this event for a couple of reasons. One, we love catered events. Obviously, it's for civil servants and first responders, so that's awesome too. It was an HOA type of event, so we love that too. But obviously, catered is great because you have a good idea of what you're going to be doing when you get out there. But also, it was perfect for us because we really want to expand into this neighborhood and this market. It's south of where our location is in Kent right now, and we don't normally take a bunch of events down there, but this year we're really trying to expand our reach and, you know, talk to some guests and do some events in areas that we're not normally at. So this was in Pierce County. I love our catered events. I love our catering menu. It's pretty wide ranging. You can basically get almost anything that we do on the food truck as a catered package. That could be smoked stuff, the meats, of course, barbecue plates, soul bowls. We can do tacos. We can do sandwiches. Pretty much anything that you get from the brick and mortar location, we could conceivably do and have done for catered events too. So there's just a lot of flexibility with the catered events. This particular event, the package they wanted to go with was like a variation of our barbecue plate. It was basically a soul bowl. Our soul bowl is 3 sides and 1 protein. These folks wanted to go with potato salad, mac and cheese, collard greens, beans, and 1 protein. So basically it was a soul bowl plus another side. For me, you have whatever you want. It's like Burger King. Whatever you want for a catered event, we're pretty flexible and can make it happen. This was 100 people, and they split their menu between the soul bowl and our loaded pork fries, which I think our protein fries are fantastic. The nice thing about these catered events too is because we know what we're going to be making, we know how many guests we're going to have. It makes the speed of service much quicker, and we're able to kind of pump through these 100, 150, 75 people services relatively quick. So sometimes these catered events are going to be in public areas, and it also gives you the opportunity, if you want, to bring additional food to try to sell to the public. For us, when we do that, we try to keep it real low-hanging fruit, things that are going to be easy to execute and not disturb or disrupt the regular service we're having. So we added a couple of items like Mama Tate's cookies. Obviously, those are huge sellers. We brought some Otter Pops for the kids, little frozen Otter Pops. Those are great. Beverages. And because we have our catering license, we're also able to offer drink packages when we do catered events, which for us is a huge bonus. There is extra costs on having that endorsement on your business license, but we make that cost up in probably 2 events in the year, maybe 5 events, but we make it up pretty quick is the point. We were also offering the grilled cheese and soup that day too, so popular items that might not take forever but might sell to the public as well too. It's always nice to have some of that extra stuff for these catered events. So if I have a pro tip on this one, it is the whole kind of gist of this video, and that is catering. Catering is huge for a food truck. I think it's huge for a restaurant and a bar as well if you have a brick and mortar location. There are tons of positives that come along with it, but that would be my pro tip, is make sure that you're focusing on catering. It should be something that should not be neglected if you have a food truck or a restaurant. We're blessed and we're lucky because we have an event manager and our general manager who is very comfortable catering, booking catering events, following up, the whole process of getting menus out and contracts, all the things that go with catering. We're lucky because we have someone who has that experience in Jill and can do other things, so it makes it a lot. There's not a pig back here. Yeah. Okay. All right. If you hear all of that snorting, that's the piglet. Okay. Sorry. Anyways, the pro tip is catering. Have a focus on it. Don't lose sight of all of the positive things that come out of it. It gives you a chance. Like I said, you can introduce yourself to a new market. You can fill in some holes if you've had some off days or slow days during your month. You can find other ways to sell merch and other things, whatever your city or state allows for. You can also connect those sales to a catered event. So that's the tip. Do not lose sight of how important catering is, how valuable that could be for you, for the growth of your business, to expand what you're doing, and to really, it's a cool way to make a lot of people happy too, man. We had 120 some odd people, if you threw in other neighbors who came by to just buy stuff, who were, you know, thrilled to meet us, love the food. A lot of people hadn't had collard greens before. This is an area we are in a very suburban area, a rural suburban area. So, you know, they're not getting a whole lot of our flavor out there. And it was well received. So all in all, great event. Had the team ready. My brother and Skylar and Jill were amazing as always. That team doing catered events, we have had now a lot of chances to run together, and it's a well-oiled machine. So as always, it's the team that makes these events happen. Hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you again for stopping by. I better get these dogs inside before they overheat. Check us out on the channel. Give us a like, subscribe. We appreciate it. All right, y'all. See you in the next one. Yeah, let me know when we're down to a half a pan or a third a pan. Okay. And I'll get the other one on. Perfect. Yep. Oh, that's plenty. Yeah, wait. Yeah. No, you're all good. Let me just get my little change. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, the for us is just keep firing. Sky, pork fry. It's all good, bucket. Just keep it pushing. Yep. Pork fry, Sky? Pork fry? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sobo. Sobo. gonna be a pork fry. Please and thank you.
Oh, okay, that's right. I'll finish it up.
I'm just gonna. Sure.
3 fries all day and 2 soul bowls all day.
Boom.
So we don't have our hot cocoa.
Pork fries. Mm-hmm. Beautiful, Mark. Beautiful. You got it right. Heard, ma'am. Mar, this is pork fry.
Okay.
Thank you. It's another one. Soul bowl. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Let's go get some cheese sauce.
Dope. Soul bowl. Soul bowl. These are cheesy pork fries, please.
That's a nice hood right there.
Like that one?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Hey, it's pulling, man. It's pulling.
Grilled cheese and fries.
Grilled cheese and fries. Got pork fries. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's bomb too. You good job, guys. Kids enjoying it?
Yes.
Sky, I got pork fries out here.
Okay.
3 times. You want to help her drop these 3 real quick, and I'll make you these, just because they're dying in the window here. And I can help you make those.
This one is cucumber.
Okay. It's another pork fry. Yep. Yes, sir.
How much cheese? Milk?
It looks pretty good.
Okay.
I say let's let it roll. Okay, and then I need.
Okay, this will be for fries.
Hey Sky, those grilled cheese and salad, are they soups?
They want fries.
Oh, they want fries with
Yeah.
it. Perfect. Okay.
Can I get a pork fry from you?
Yes, I got one. Your mom took one too.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Just one. Here you are.
Hey, Jill. Can you see how much the Maryland Road? I don't know if they have it posted or. That would be all. Thank you.
Honey, did you add any cucumber to the cucumber one? You didn't put anything in there yet? Okay. I was like, they don't look like no vodka in here.
I feel like I'm.
Cucumber has the lemon in it. Bingo. Okay, good push. Good push. We're not waiting for any other food other than the grilled cheese and fries, right?
Pork fry.
Oh, okay.
And a pork fry. That was awesome.
There you go, my dear. They're smacking the shit out of it. Smacking the shit out of it.
Because mom was like, yoink, 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 yoink.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, Mom, she said, when you go, can you give me some gloves?
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much.
I got a steak and what's it? It was about. She said, I'll make sure Tyler will show you that steak. I was like, you already know.
Mm-hmm. You already knows. Yeah, exactly.
I left my phone and I came back. I said, I left it somewhere. And she said, oh, I found it. And I put it in the office. She came back, grabbed the phone. She didn't see me come in. She was at the front door drinking already. And I said, yeah. She turned around like this. Oh, is she? I said, got my phone? She said, no. But I got.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I was like, what happened? Oh, shit.
Reset our promise.
You want to?
Yeah. That's the most flavorful thing they can have.
Yeah.
Are you soup with the grilled cheese?
What's that?
Soup with the grilled cheese?
It's gonna be fries. This is the asshole bowl. But I'll just, yeah, but yeah. Bang. Okay. Worst music genre of all. Fucking hands down. Worst.
What's that Brian Adams song? It was like Robin Hood.
Nope. Yeah, not on these ones. Okay. Nah, it's okay. Sky grilled cheese is up.
Can I get another soul bowl?
Yes, you can. First one's up. Second one's right behind it. I'll take that soul bowl that you just put up there. Yeah. Here's that second grilled cheese. Yes. Slide this right here. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. 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 This guy got a soul bowl.
And then my cookies for her also.
Okay. It's a little warm. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. Had a feeling.
She must have made a mint with this one, though. It's like, I'm back, baby.
Bang. You throw that one up there, Mark? Thank you, sir. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, my dear.
They have 4 orders of pork fries left and 13 orders of soul balls left.
Okay. Word. Looks about right. I counted out 30 of the soul bowls over here, potato salad, so I've been able to keep a rough count.
I'm about, I think I've had that.
Okay. Let's slap that bitch back on the heat when we get a second too, just for a second. Maybe switch up the beans. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Hey, good to see you too. I was like, man, I know this guy too. Yeah, right around the corner, right where the old Ryan's place used to be, Purdy's used to be, a bunch of stuff used to be there. So,
and then we'll see you at the Hawks game.
Of course, of course.
Then we'll come up and we'll
Good to see you, buddy. Yeah, appreciate it.
For the wings.
Oh, you get them? Okay, good stuff. Good stuff.
Is that the opening?
Yeah, 27th is the opening. Yep. Saturday. Okay, good stuff.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Everything okay? Thank you. I hope he does. What's that? Oh, thank you so much. Good stuff, guys. Thank you. Okay.
His wife was a lady in blue with tattoos. You look up there.
Yeah, I think so. Or this is pork fry. Sure. Let's just give one of those nice kids out there. Pick a kid and give them an honor pop. Pick a kid and give them an honor pop. See if they want one. There you go. This guy's a thinker. I was like, I know this song too. Do 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 do. This is like peeling ass station, I guess, huh? It's just like, fuck it, we just take it whatever we want. Pork fry, soul bowl. Yes. There we go. Mm-hmm. A lot of empty plates up there. Content folks. Good shit, Mark. Good push. That's what I said. Is that a strainer over there by any chance? I doubt it, but makes you think it's going to be a good song, and then you remember this is country. Oh well, yeah, I want to put the security tent on these windows, Mark. Since we got enough left, I want to cut that shit out and put it right in here. We can look out, and we'll stay cooler in the summer. That's my excuse, not that I.
It's like when we were at. This thing's holding it.
Holding it all right?
I think so.
I just like it to be so nice and hot. Yeah, let's go. Let's hit it one more time, just to keep it nice and hot, and then we can go back to that. Absolutely. Yeah. Heard. There's one more. Pork fry. Bang. Beautiful. Yeah. Excellent. Pork fries, number one. Sky boat. Hold on one second.
Oh, that's cheese sauce.
Nuh-uh.
Okay.
There you go. There.
Pork fry?
Pork fry. Load them up. You were just dragging one of those, right? Okay. It's coming right about now. Yeah, make some fans. Make some fans out here.
Any water to it or anything?
Nope. I say let it do its thizzle. All right, pork fries. There you go, my dear. She was like, I was gonna wait for you, but fuck that. But fuck that, it's warm in my hand. She went up and got her a seat. I'll wait for you. No, I lied. Now I peeked in the box, I'm gonna go sit down. Smack that.
That's funny, 'cause
She's like,
he was sitting there holding this lady's stuff, and he kept looking at his food.
yeah.
I would just put it on top.
Yeah, 100%. I'm waiting all day. I'm waiting all day. You know, it's eating time. She tried to be nice.
Who is that? Was that the guy who has
That's Tim. Yeah, sits right across the thing from us. Yeah. His wife.
His wife?
Yeah.
Oh,
And their daughter, Mackenzie.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, they good people. They good people. And so is the other huge buff guy right here in the hat. He sits over with Tim a lot of the time. He's over there too. What's up, Mark? Yeah. Whatever you got. Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Oh.
There you go, madam. Beautiful. Okay. Thank you. How was the food?
Dude, that was
Okay.
That was good.
All right. I appreciate it. Thank you.
green, so it's good.
Okay. All right.
You went blue.
Okay. Good shit. I appreciate it when somebody loves it. That's awesome. Thank you.